Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas, and it can be caused by any type of fuel-burning appliance, whether it be a hot water heater, a furnace, even an ordinary stove. The symptoms are oftentimes confused with food poisoning or the flu. There can be nausea, vomiting, headache. So oftentimes one doesn't suspect that it's carbon monoxide poisoning. If you suspect that it's carbon monoxide poisoning, it's important that you go to the emergency room and demand that they do a blood test, because if it is carbon monoxide poisoning, it can be treated with hyperbaric oxygen. Hyperbaric oxygen can greatly improve the long-term outcome for the individual that's been poisoned. At the emergency room, they can administer a blood test that will identify whether or not you have lethal doses of carbon monoxide in your bloodstream. An attorney experienced in handling carbon monoxide poisoning cases can assist the individual in getting these symptoms diagnosed and treated so it doesn't haunt them on a day-to-day basis.